G'day everyone, Michelle J. Raymond, LinkedIn Company Pages expert. If you're a new social media manager and just been handed the keys to the company page and you're not exactly sure how to go in and access it, then this video is going to show you exactly how you log into a company page. Now, it's not going to be the world's longest video, but it is definitely going to show you how to do it. Let's just go over to LinkedIn and I'll show you how it's done. Quite often people will be on LinkedIn and they'll start to think like, do we click up on me? Do we log down here? No, you'll see all the pages over here on the left-hand side. Any page that you're a page admin of, all you need to do is click on the link and ta-da, you go into what we call page admin view. Now, this is where you're going to do all of the work behind the scenes for your LinkedIn company page. It's that easy. If you're doing this on mobile, click on your photo, a menu opens up, and then you can click on your company page and go and see the page admin view and do anything that you need to do from there. That's all for me for today. As I said, short video, doesn't need to be any longer, but if you want lots more company page tips, please come and connect with me on LinkedIn, Michelle J. Raymond. Don't forget to hit subscribe while you're here. Leave me a comment if this video has helped. Cheers.